This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Erline Lawrence. This lovely, open, and spacious condo is available April 2022, and thereafter. You will love the open floor plan, with a living/dining area that flows into a bright sunroom, a second lounging/living area to enjoy. The kitchen has a sunny eat-in area and a breakfast bar, or extra desk/work area. Bedrooms include a spacious main suite with a king-size bed and double vanities in the bath, a second bedroom with twin beds and an adjacent second bath. Plus there is a queen-size sofa bed, and living area, for occasional overflow of guests. Other features include a designated office area, and residence laundry, and plenty of closets. This condo is steps away from the community pool and clubhouse, which has a fitness room, lounge, library, and efficiency kitchen for social events. The community has tennis courts and tram service to the Pelican Bay beaches, where chairs, umbrellas, restaurants, are available to residents. Valencia has a great location, near Artis Performing Arts Center, the Waterside Shops. Pelican Bay also offers an array of activities, spa and amp, fitness services, tennis, boating, golf, fishing, art studio classes, club events, etc. It's place to be. High demand. Book early. For more information, review the details below.